Sophia, congratulations on doing your Gold Star Award project.
Thank you so much.
Can you tell us just a little nutshell, why did you choose the Knead for baking?
I chose the Knead for baking because I realized that not a lot of kids in my community are baking, and it's really a crucial life skill that all kids need to have.
It does a lot more than warm the heart, although it does that for sure. I think you probably discovered some science and math. And
For
what
sure.
would you say was one revelation on the science?
Just realizing how much science is actually in the baking is really cool for me to discover, and to see all the kids discover that as well is super amazing.
Great. What ages did you work with?
I work from ages 4th grade all the way to high school.
So that's a lot of opportunity for both literacy, math, and science all rolled into one.
Yeah.
That's great. Well, we are delighted we could work with you, and we hope you go, like she did, to our website for homebaking.org. We have a great piece called Why Bake and Baking for STEAM.